strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex tape is no ordinary tape.
Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself to the surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks.
Leaky pipes can cause major damage.
But Flex tape grips on tight and bonds instantly.
Plus, Flex tape's powerful adhesive is so strong, it even works underwater.
Now you can repair leaks